If you are a teenager or just crossed your teenage, you might be feeling that your skin is not as soft and as supple. You're losing your baby skin like you had earlier when you were less than 12 or 13 years old. If this is happening to you, it's time that you should start using a good skincare routine. Namaskar, I'm Dr. Ikshita Johri. I'm a dermatologist at Skinfinity Derma Clinic, and today I'm going to guide you about the skincare routine for teenagers. As a baby, your skin renews very fast. It has a good regeneration cycle. The dead skin keeps on shedding and the new skin keeps on coming at a very good rate. That is why you have a very soft and supple skin. But as you come to your teenage, there are many hormonal influences and a lot of effect of the pollution and the environment, which leads to a little dullness in the skin. The skin may not feel as fresh. You may also start getting dehydration or dryness in the skin. You may also start to get little whiteheads, blackheads, or even acne in the teenage. So what is skincare routine and how much time is it going to take for you to follow this routine? Well, skincare routine is the nourishment that you're giving to your skin on a daily basis, and it will just take 5 minutes during the morning hours and 5 minutes at the night hours to follow the skincare routine. The first thing in a skincare routine is a serum. Serums are the first layer that you put onto your skin because they are very thin in consistency and absorb best on a bare skin. So once your face is cleansed properly, you have to apply the serum. In the daytime, you can use a serum that contains niacinamide if you have a little oily skin. Use hyaluronic acid serum if you have a dry, dull or dehydrated skin. How do you check for the oiliness and the dryness has been shown in another video which you can check. I'm attaching the link below. After the serum comes the second layer, that is the moisturizer. Moisturizers are important because they are a barrier between the environment, the dust pollution and your skin. Now that you've applied your serum during the day and night, you have to use a moisturizer. The moisturizer should be a very non-fragrance, less chemical, very lightweight moisturizer for a teenager. Try to choose brands which are cruelty-free or which label themselves as fragrance-free or more organic. You can always consult a dermatologist to prescribe the best moisturizer according to your skin type. I'm also enlisting some good moisturizers over here which you can use for your skin type if you are a teenager. Now your night care regime ends with a serum and a moisturizer, but during day there is a third layer that you have to apply, which is a sunscreen. A sunscreen is a must starting from the teenage so that you can protect yourself from the photo damage, the early signs of aging, dryness and dehydration in the skin, getting a lot of tan or pigmentation or freckles in the skin. There's a lot of damage that the sun can bring about in your skin on a daily basis. Having a good sunscreen is something that will protect you from all those damages. So after the serum and moisturizer, use a good sunscreen according to your skin type. Here are some sunscreens that you can use as a teenager with a dry skin, and these are some sunscreens that you can use for normal to oily skin. Now that you know what to apply on your skin during the day and night, the second thing that you should be aware of is how to cleanse the skin. I've seen a lot of teenagers doing a lot of scrubbing on their face, which is not a correct practice. This is something which can damage your skin further and get a signal on your oil glands to produce more oil to compensate for the dehydration that the scrubs have caused on your face. Therefore, stick to once a week scrubbing of the face. Use scrubs which label as exfoliants. I'm just listing some exfoliants over here that you can use once a week. Just apply the exfoliant for 10 minutes and wash your face. Do not get into the practice of rubbing the exfoliant harshly on the skin, which is going to damage and irritate your pores and may lead to breakouts. Last but most important part of your skincare is a face wash. So which face wash should you use as a teenager? This completely depends on the skin type. So you have to first get it checked whether you have a oily, normal or dry skin. Accordingly, I'm listing some sunscreens that you can use according to this skin type. So what is the correct way to use a face wash? Take a little quantity, apply the face wash on the face in a circular motion, rub for 30 to 60 seconds and then rinse with normal to cool water. This is something which will clean your pores and also tighten them up. You can use the face wash up to twice or thrice a day depending on how much dryness and how much exposure to the outside world you have. I'm sure by now you must have subscribed the channel by hitting the icon below and also click on the bell icon so that you get all the notifications about skincare first. Keep following us on Skinfinity Derma. This is me, Dr. Dipshita, signing off. You can ask your questions in the comment sections below.